Today I am going to deal a very common homeopathic remedy. According to the abbreviation of the name of the remedy, you can easily understand which remedy I am going to deal. The abbreviation is accidental ring, not ignore, common. The name of the remedy is arnica. A for accidental, R for ring, N for not, I for ignore, C for common, A for arnica. So we know the arnica according to the abbreviation of the name of the remedies, that is the accidental ring, not ignore, common arnica. Where there is accident, you must think the arnica. The common name of arnica is leopard wings. We know as a homeopath that where there is itch, there is sora. According to that principle, we know where there is injury, there is arnica. Such as in Ginkam, you read, Ginkam act profoundly upon the nerve, iron act profoundly upon the blood, and arnica act profoundly upon the injury. So where there is injury, you first think your medicine is arnica. This is a polycrest remedy. Every remedy has its own character, its own nature, that is called genus of the remedy. You must try to know the character, the nature of every remedy. That will help you to understand the remedy. You cannot memorize the remedy, but you can easily understand every remedy. The main character of the arnica mount, itch, sore, lame, bruised, feeling all through the body as if beaten. This is the main character of the arnica, sore, lame and bruise. Due to that, there is fear with arnica. The fear is that someone come near to me and touch to me. My pain worse. Due to that, arnica want to live alone. Imaginary fear comes in the mind. Even see in the dreams that my heart is weak, brain is empty, dreams of the thieves and the animals. There is fear in awake also, the fear in the dreams. Arnica patient is very restless during on the wait. He thinks that everything on which lies seems too hard. So, for the search of the soft place, always move on the wait, but not get soft place. Why? There is not hardness of the bed, but the patient feels mentally there is hardness of the bed. There is no hardness of bed, only the mentally feels patient. There is heat of the upper part of the bodies and the coldness of the lower parts of the body. This is especially found in the case of the fever. There is constipation with arnica patient, and there is rival-like stool during the constipation. This rival-like stool is found in case of male due to the enlargement of the prostate gland, in the female due to the retroverted uterus, and in the child due to the case of the injury. In arnica, there is retention of the urine after labor, hemorrhage in the retina with extra recession from injury or cuff. Arnica help to remove the blood clot in the eyes. Tendency to a small pimples, painful boils one after another. There is irritation like the rotten eggs. Soreness of the parts after childbirth. Take the help of arnica. In any case, if there is history of the mechanical injury, even if received years ago, you give arnica. In long years ago, history of injury, there may be soreness or without soreness. Only the history of injury, take the help of arnica mount. In case of the rheumatic pain, hypersensitive, patient feels not any body to touch to me. My complaint worse, that fear to man when cross nearer to him. In case of arnica, the mental symptoms is more important, and the mental symptoms is patient says there is nothing with me. Patient already suffering from the such and such complaint, but the patient say there is nothing with me. The soreness is the red marks of the arnica. Whole body feels soreness. The joint becomes sore, periosteum becomes sore, muscles become sore. So soreness will continue until the stiffness begins. Due to the soreness, there is black spot appears on the body here and there. Due to the soreness, want to move to change the position frequently. Many cases, cerebral hemorrhage and the low form of typhoid will present this typical arnica picture. And unless this patient receives this remedy, they will die. Arnica also help in the septic condition. It prevents the suppuration. The resulting shock of surgical operation call for arnica. The coryza of arnica comes in the evening when going to sleep. Hemorrhage from the gums after the extraction of the teeth. This is our one of the leader in the bleeding after the teeth extraction. In case of arnica, there is aversion to tobacco. The urine of the arnica is dark brown with bleak disc sediment. Urination involuntary when running in the peculiar to arnica. Discharge of blood between the period with nausea. Bleeding after quiescence. Great soreness of the back during labor. The cough of arnica is dry, with burning and rawness in the chest region, a stitching in the chest, aggravation by motion and pressure. Growing pain in the wrist, relieved by letting hang downwards. Gout of joint of great toe with redness. Patient will sleepy all the day but cannot sleep at night. A sudden fear of death comes on at this, rousing him up in the night. He grasps at the heart and thinking he is going to die suddenly. He looks at the doctor and say, I do not want you. I am not sick. This is the mental symptoms of the arnica. It is not strange that arnica is used for the bruise, but it is very foolish to put it on the outside and to rub it on the form of the tincture. It produces its pathogenesis moderate a spot like bruises. If you take arnica internally in large dose, you will have moderate a spot due to achomysis from the extravasation of the mater capillaries. Arnica has aversion also from the meat or milk. During the chill stage of the intermittent fever, arnica feels thirst. Offensiveness is a feature of arnica. Offensive erection and the flatus or the stool is all offensive. Sensation of the motion of the fetus. Motion of the fetus is very painful and keeps her awake at night. Arnica will remove that soreness. Soreness in the intercostal muscles after severe exertion. Arnica prevent suppuration. Arnica is the remedy for injury of the blood vessels. Aspergillia is the chronic of arnica. The chief action of arnica on the blood vessels and particular of the capillary. The last conclusion I want to say, there is main mark for the arnica patient. Absence of soreness is the contraindication of arnica. Number 2, external application is better than nothing, but the administration internally is best of all. Number 3, surgical operation shock call for arnica. Number 4, arnica is injurious in the bites of dog or rabbit or angry animal. 5th, arnica must not be used externally, used calendula there. Number 6, a few dose of arnica internally after the tooth extraction is the common practice of all us. Number 7, arnica can bring out a very hasty dermatitis when used externally, too long or too strong. Even a cutaneous when applied the wound where the skin is broken. Arnica is the king of our traumatic remedy. And last, the arnica must remember where there is soreness, you think arnica. Where there is soreness absent, never think arnica. So, the contraindication of arnica is the soreness. Contraindication means you cannot apply arnica where there is absence of soreness. There is soreness, you take the help of arnica. Where there is no soreness, never think of arnica. So arnica is the very common medicine used by the every persons, used by the every homeopath, even used by the common persons who know something about the homeopathy. Thanks.